That's the reason why you don't try to destroy these clamps. To reuse it, you gotta reuse them sometimes. So you just gotta free this clamp up just enough where you don't destroy the clamp. This boot was fighting me, but they always give a little fight. So now I got it done, and I could just use the tool and close it. That's it. Use the tool, close it up. Shit should be good. That shit ain't coming up. Guys, now that we have our sway bar assembled and fully attached to the subframe, now we're gonna have to go ahead and insert grease inside those little ball fitting that they have. And soon as you put the grease gun on and you have a few clicks, you will see that the grease start to pop out the sway bar bushings, and then that's how you know you have enough grease there and you don't have to add any more. Guys, so moving closer to those bushings, you can see how the grease started popping out the bushing itself. You need to grease those bushings. If you don't grease them, those bushings will start to prematurely start wearing out, and they will.
Because your look deserves a glow up too. From iconic denim to bold fits that turn heads, we've got the deals to level up your wardrobe without breaking.
Guys, now that you went back up and you have your subframe lined all up, you could go ahead and start getting your front two subframe bolts in. I started with the front bolts because those were the bolts that was exposed first. And those were the bolts that was easy for me to get in first. Those are the bolts I started with. All my subframe bolts are tight. We have one right here. That one is all snugged up. This one is all snugged up as well on the passenger side. Okay, and we missing one. We're missing one on the outer side. So let's go ahead and snug those up. Guys, if you have anti-seize laying around, it's a good idea to go ahead and place some on the sway bar link end bolt. So at the sway bar, you have two holes. You have one right here and one right here. You're gonna put it at the hole at the end to get maximum play and maximum performance. So the end of the hole at the end is always a little better. That's what they said. To get maximum roll, you want to put it at the one at the end. So I'm going to follow instruction and go just like that. See, it's back yellow, guys. I have power steering back. Yeah, baby. Let's go, pa. Let's go. We did it. We did it, guys. Wow, let's go. Power steering is back. There you go. It's no longer red, guys. Guys, my alignment is only bad because I removed my tie rod ends without marking them. But you should be getting alignment anyways if you remove the subframe because it's just, that's the right thing to do. The chassis of the vehicle is going to be kind of off and the alignment won't be straight if you remove the subframe. Guys, and you can see that my alignment came out pretty good for the driver's side. So let's move on to the passenger side. Guys, now that we are finished installing our 25 millimeter front sway bar upgrade, I'm lowering the vehicle. I'm ready to hit the road, but first let's check the alignment out. The alignment looks pretty good to me. I don't know about you guys. The back is straight, the front is straight. It look like I just need camber bars in the back and the front. We get those pretty soon when we upgrade the coilovers. But thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.